So hello guys, welcome back, and for this one, I'll be teaching you how to assign a value to a multiple variables. So there are times that kailangan natin gumamit ng more than one variable, and how do we declare it? So declaring a variable in C++, actually I mentioned it naman doon sa previous video, is you need to call the data type first. For example, int, and then followed by the name of your variable, for example, A. Ayan. So this is what we call declaration. So this is just a typical declaration. And if you want to initialize, so maybe narinig yung word na initialize, ang meaning nun is when you declare a variable or you give a value to a variable before using it. So for example, ito yung initialization. Initialization. So A is equals to, sabihin natin, 12. So that's initialization. So declaration is this part sa line 7, and then initialization is sa line 10. We can combine declaration and initialization by doing this one. So declaration and initialization ng sabay. For example, int b equals 0. So int b, we declare a variable b which is integer, and then we assign 0 as its uh, initial value or yung first value niya. So this is how you do declaration and initialization. And then if you're going to declare multiple variable, so instead of creating int C isa-isa, tas int D, kunyari lang. So, kunyari, 5 yung variable na gagawin nyo. Instead of doing that, you can make it in one line. So, for example, multiple declaration. So, multiple declaration meaning same data type pero maraming variables. So, kunyari int ulit, tapos sabihin natin we need 5 variables. And for this one, kunyari, we have n1, n2, n3, n4. Yeah. So, this one is a multiple declaration wherein we have 4 variables that is under integer. So, yung syntax niya is data type pa rin, followed by the variable name. Tapos, you can use comma to declare another variable. So, para hindi siya palagi int, tas followed by variable na paulit-ulit. Ayan. Another thing, you can assign a value to a multiple variable. So, for example, si A, si B, tsaka yung mga N, or ito na lang lahat ng N, gusto mo initialize siya lahat ng, sabihin natin, 0. Lahat sila dapat 0 muna sa unang run na program. So, what we can do is N1 equals N2 equals N3 equals N4 equals N5 ba? Hindi, hanggang 4 lang. So, equals 0. Yan. So, from assignment happens from the right. So, kung ano yung pinaka-value sa right, siya yung magiging value lahat ng nasa left. So, meaning dito si N1 equals N2 equals N3 equals N4, which is equals to 0. So, lahat sila mag-equals to 0. So, to check it, see out natin. So, kanya N1 equals, tapos, gawin natin N1 yan. And L. So, isa-isay natin N1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, last one is 4, and 4. Then, i-compile natin. Ayan. So, nakapansin nyo, 0 siya lahat. So, if you don't believe na 0 siya, kasi in C++, ang default value ng isang variable is 0. So, for example, if integer, no? So, kunyari, itong si B, wag natin to bigyan ng output, ng initial value. Or, wag na lang si B kasi we make it here. So, gawin ko na lang tong 2 kunyari. Tapos, declare tayo ng C sa baba. So, int C. Tapos i-cout ko lang si C. Cout, ayan, C equals, tapos C. Ayan, cout lang natin si C. So, pag nira natin to, ayan, nakita nyo default value niya is 0. So, in programming languages, if you don't give initial value, uh, nagbibigay sila ng parang ina-assume nila na ito muna yung value. So, make sure aware kayo doon. Sa C++, ayan, pag hindi mo binigyan ng value integer, automatic, parang i-assign siya as 0 muna ni compiler ng C++. So, since hindi natin alam kung na-assign talaga to, gawin natin na 21 to. Para sure tayo na assign niya yung 21 sa lahat. So, run natin, compile and run. And there you have it now. Lahat sila naging 21. So, there you have it. That's how you declare, initialize, and do multiple declaration ng isang variable and assigning a value to a multiple variable. So, assignment operator pa rin tayo dito.